OnePlus Ace 5 series is expected to launch on December 26, 2024, in China. The lineup will include the Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro. This is OnePlus Ace 5 and Ace 5 Pro first look. Ace 5 comes in green, black and white. Ace 5 Pro come in white, lavender and bulk. This is OnePlus Ace 5 front first look. Straight screen with very narrow frame. The teaser confirms OnePlus Ace 5 Pro coming the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC and OnePlus Ace 5 coming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Both phones offer up to 24GB of RAM. OnePlus Ace 5 has surfaced on the Geekbench database. 2212 points and 6,961 points in single-core and multi-core tests. The Ace 5 will be rebranded as the OnePlus 13R in the global markets. We can expect the OnePlus 13R to debut at the same time as the OnePlus 13. The OnePlus Ace 5 series come with a 6.78-inch BOE's X280 LTPO displays with 1.5K resolution. The handsets are likely to have 50-megapixel triple rear cameras. The vanilla version could have a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. The vanilla OnePlus Ace May 5th get a 6,300 mAh battery, while the Pro variant could pack a 6,500 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.